Okay, student, see the next part. Satluj river joined to the Indus river in Pakistan. Okay, here you can see at this point Satluj river joined to the Indus river in Pakistan country. Okay, here, and after that Indus river finally flow into the Arabian Sea here. Okay, delta formed by Indus river. Here you can see. Okay, at this point Satluj river joined the Indus river. Okay, in Pakistan country. Satluj river start from Himalayan mountain, then through Punjab state. It flow towards the southwest part of our country. Okay, and here it joined to the Indus river. Okay, so student, next part, the Bhakra Nangal dam has been built on the Satluj river. So where is the Bhakra Nangal dam? You can see here. Here you can see the Bhakra Nangal dam. Okay. See here, this is the Bhakra Nangal dam. Okay, here you can see it's built on a Satluj river. It provide electricity and water for irrigation. So mostly डैम जो होते हैं उन्हें क्यों बिल्ड करा जाता है, ताकि जो वाटर हो वो स्टोरेज हो. ओके, एंड ये जो स्टोरेज वाटर है वो क्या करा जाता है, इरिगेशन के लिए यूज़ करा जाता है. और जो वहाँ के आसपास के स्टेट्स है वहाँ पे क्या ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस के लिए, इरिगेशन के लिए और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए क्या करा जाता है, यूज़ करा जाता है. जो भी ये वाटर होता है इसका यूज़ इरिगेशन, ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए करा जाता है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन, इंदिरा गांधी कैनल विच स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सतलज प्रोवाइड वाटर टू मेनी ड्राई एरियाज ऑफ राजस्थान. जो इंदिरा गांधी कैनल जो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये क्या करता है, जो हमारा स्टेट है राजस्थान, इसके बहुत सारे जो एरियाज है उसे क्या करता है, वाटर प्रोवाइड करता है. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज गंगा बेसिन. सो हियर यू कैन सी गंगा बेसिन. See here, Ganga river is also start from Himalayan mountain. Okay, the Ganga is the most important river of the northern plains. So here are the northern plains. Okay, and Ganga is the most important river in the northern plains because it cover most of the area of northern plains. Okay, so the Ganga basin is spread across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Here you can see Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. So the Ganga basin is spread across all these three states of our country. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri, as we all know from where Ganga river is generated. Okay, it's from Gangotri glaciers. Here you can see the Ganga river. It's a Jamuna river. Okay, it's a Yamuna river, it's a Ganga river. Okay, so here both the river meet each other. Okay, the Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri in the mountains. It is fed by the several tributaries such as Alaknanda, Mandakini and Bhagirathi before it enter the northern plains at Haridwar. Before enter into the Haridwar, Ganga river is having number of tributaries. Okay, you can see here at this part you can see number of these tributaries. Ganga river is having number of tributaries. Okay, also here also you can see number of smaller river join the main river Ganga. Okay, that are called the tributaries of Ganga river. Here also you can see the number of rivers that join the Ganga river. Okay, before it enters the northern plains in Haridwar. Okay, as it flows along slowly in the plains, it is joined by several tributaries like the Yamuna. Here you can see the Yamuna. Okay, at the beginning, this one the Yamuna, this one is the Yamuna river. Okay, Here you can see the Yamuna river that joined to the Ganga river. Okay, Gandak, Ghagra, Koshi and Gomti. So Ghagra is the one of the main tributaries of Ganga river. So here you can see this is the Ghagra. This one is the Ghagra river. Okay, this one. Okay, it's a Ganga river here, and this is the Ghagra. This one is Koshi. Okay, so these are the tributaries of Ganga river. Then after flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, the Ganga river enters the West Bengal. Here you can see this is the Ganga river. Okay, it's flowing through Uttar Pradesh. After Uttar Pradesh is enter into the Bihar. Okay, after Bihar it entered to the West Bengal. Okay, here it split into many branches of distributaries. At this point Ganga river is distributed in number of distributaries. Okay, here you this part. Okay, and here it formed the delta. Both the river Brahmaputra river, Ganga river join at this point. Okay, and they form delta here. The two main branches are Hooghly and Padma. So here you can see Padma, this part. Okay, this one is the Padma river. Okay, and this one is the Hooghly river. Here you can see here it joined the Jamuna. Yamuna and Jamuna both are the different river. Okay, Jamuna, here you can see the Jamuna. Okay, here you can see the Jamuna river. Okay, the part of Brahmaputra river at the end. Here Jamuna and Yamuna are both the different rivers. Okay, Yamuna is the main branch of Brahmaputra river and Jamuna is the tributary of Ganga river, the main branch of Brahmaputra in Bangladesh before entering the Bay of Bengal. Okay, Jamuna is the main branch of Brahmaputra river here before entering the Bay of Bengal. The delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. It is called the Sundarban. Here you can see delta formed by the Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. This part. Okay, this large part. This is the world largest delta. Okay, and it is also called Sundarban. Here you can see this part. Okay, this whole part. So this is enough for today. Thank you.